Is your Kia Sportage key fob from 2021-2024 models not working? A dead battery is the most likely cause. The fix is a simple DIY task that can save you money. You'll need a CR232 battery, which is 3 volts and 220 milliamp hour, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and about 5 minutes. First, gently pry open the key fob case at the seam. Be careful not to damage the plastic. Some 2021-2023 models have an integrated metal keyblade. 2024 models may be keyless. Once open, remove the old CR232 battery, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side up. Snap the case back together securely. Test the fob by pressing the buttons from a distance. If it works, you're done. Always dispose of the old battery responsibly according to EPA guidelines. If the key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, try cleaning the battery contacts inside the fob with isopropyl alcohol. Corrosion can sometimes prevent a good connection. Another trick is to reprogram the fob via the vehicle's ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Then press the lock-unlock button on the fob multiple times. This can reset the fob's frequency. Cold weather can also affect battery performance. If you're experiencing issues in temperatures below 32 degrees Celsius, a fresh battery is often the solution. Avoid cheaper battery alternatives like CR2025, as they can cause voltage mismatches and erratic behavior. For future reference, consider using Kia Connect app-based unlocking to reduce reliance on the physical fob and extend battery life. Replace the battery every 12 to 18 months.